Planning to import goods into Indonesia? Don't let incomplete documents stop you. It can complicate your business and cause a lot of headaches. Today, we'll discuss the 5 mandatory documents you need to prepare. This isn't just about buying goods. It's about complying with regulations. First, the commercial invoice. This document is your official proof of transaction. It contains details of the goods, quantity, and agreed-upon prices. The invoice is the most crucial, basic document. It's used by customs to verify the value of the goods you're importing. Second, the packing list. This document provides a complete breakdown of the shipped goods, including their type, quantity, weight, and package size. The packing list ensures the goods you receive match your order and makes physical inspections at the warehouse or port much easier. Third, you need a bill of lading, BL for sea freight, or an Airway bill, AWB for air freight. These are the official proofs that your goods have been shipped. Without this document, your goods cannot be picked up from the carrier. It also serves as proof of ownership for the cargo. Fourth, Pemberitahuan Impor Barang, or PIB. This is the document you submit to customs electronically to calculate import duty and taxes. The PIB is one of the most critical documents. Its completeness and accuracy determine the smoothness of your customs clearance process. Fifth, the Certificate of Origin, COO. This document proves the country of origin for the goods you are importing. With a COO, you can take advantage of free trade agreements, FTAs, and get a significantly lower import duty rate. In addition to the main 5, you must also ensure you have the correct import license, such as an APIU or APIP. If your license is incomplete, your goods could be held at the port or even denied entry. This will cause major problems for your business. So remember this. Importing isn't just about buying and shipping goods. It's about having complete documents and complying with regulations. Just one missing document carries major risks, ballooning costs, prolonged delays, and even potential sanctions from the authorities. Don't worry, Portcorp is ready to be a reliable partner. We assist with everything from document consultation to obtaining permits. Contact us now.